What's up guys, Braden here with SuperATV, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install SuperATV's Hood Rack Bravo on this Pioneer 1006. So let's get right to it. So the first thing that we're going to do is go ahead and remove the hardware out of our cage. It'll be a 17mm and a 17mm. Now we're going to grab our right side bracket, our spacer, and then two of our long bolts here that are in the kit. We're going to take one of the bolts, slide it through, then take the spacer, line it up like so, and take it up here to the cage. You may have to take a punch or a chisel of some sort to kind of wiggle around on the cage until your hardware will line up in the hole. So I got one of my bolts kind of started in there. Then once we get it to where we can get a nut started, we're going to go ahead and start one of our nuts. And these will be the factory nuts that we're using here. So we have that one installed. So now we're going to try to get it to where this bolt will go all the way through. Once we get it through there, now we're going to start snugging our hardware up just a little bit. It's going to help bring that cage together to make it easier to put the upper bolt in. Get this one lined up here. Push right through the cage. We'll put our nut on. Fully tighten the hardware just like that, and then we're going to go to the opposite side and do the same exact thing. Now we're going to install the rack to the brackets. Now we're going to grab two of our Allen headed screws, two flat washers, and two nylock nuts. We're just going to take the Allens, drop them down through the top notch in the rack. That's going to line up with the notches and the brackets that we previously installed. Take our nuts, put them on the bottom. We're just going to start them for right now. And we can go to the opposite side, do the same thing, and then we'll just have to adjust it around to where it fits the best, looks the best, where it's the same on either side, then we'll fully tighten the hardware. So once you've went through, fully tightened all the hardware, that's all there is to it to install SuperATV's Hood Rack Bravo on this Honda Pioneer 1006. Be sure to check the description below to pick yours up today, and while you're there, drop a like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.